Our kingdom, 88 counts, 1 wall, phrased, high, intermediate, advanced. Weight on the left. Part A, total 32 counts. A always start at 12 and finish at 12. Section 1, to walk, right, left, anchor step, lock, step, behind. To back, back left, open knee, close knee, back right, open knee, left coaster step. Section 2, forward on right, cross arm, extended pony step. Switch the arm position between cross and open on the hitches. Hitch and hitch and hitch. Step quarter. Your body facing 9 but look at 6. Recover to right and look at 12. Make a quarter turn, step on left, facing 6. Count Part A, Section 1 and 2. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Part A, Section 3. To walk, walk right, walk left with prep, full turn, half, half step, left, rock, recover, pull knee back. Section 4, back right, heel swivel, out center, back left, right heel swivel, out center. To walk, right, left, ball lock behind, unwind half turn, facing 12, weight on the left. Count Part A, Section 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6 and 7, 8. Part B, total 24 counts. Part B always start at 12 and finish at 12. Right foot, cross, side, behind, quarter, facing 9. Step, pivot, 3/4, facing 12. Shuffle to the right. Section 2, repeat on the left. Cross, side, behind, quarter, facing 3. Step, pivot, 3/4, facing 12. Shuffle to the left. Section 3, 2 heel grind. Right heel grind, side close. Left heel grind, side close. Cross, arms out, hold. Make a slow unwind over 2 counts and weight on the left. This is the end of Part B. Count Part B. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, hold 6, 7, 8. Part C, total 32 counts. Part C also always start at 12 and finish at 12. Part C, Section 1, to walk, right, left, right cross samba, left cross samba, quarter touch, facing 9, chest pop. Section 2, 3, and 4, repeat Section 1 on a different direction and change the last and 8 count with a different pose. Section 2, walk, walk, right samba, left samba, quarter touch. When you touch, put the hands on side of the head, make a crown. Crown up, down. Section 3, walk, walk, cross samba, quarter touch. Arms forward. Flick arm back and down. Section 4, walk, walk, cross samba, quarter touch. Flick right and click right. That's the end of Part C. Count Part C. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. Whole dance count, Part A. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6 and 7, 8. Part B. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5 whole 6, 7, 8. Part C. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. Then you repeat the same sequence, A, B, C. And you will do 2A in a row and 2C. The second C, you will only do half. The second C, section 2, walk, walk, cross and back, cross and back. Step, half, side to finish the whole dance.